children, let's start with chapter number 3, life in the tropical desert. Right? So there is a great constant in the climate of hot weather. There are many differences that we see, that we live in both the regions. And children, last chapter we have learned about life of the people in a hot wet region. So there is a contrast in the climate of hot wet region in the tropical desert. So hot wet region जो होता है, वहाँ पे जो बारिश होती है वो बहुत ज्यादा होती है. It's rain heavily throughout the year. But in desert, if we talk about, वो बहुत कम rain करता है. It's rain very little. So there are many differences that we see in the life. First of all, let's study about the tropical desert in the world. जैसे आपका सहारा हो गया नॉर्थ अफ्रीका, अरेबिया एंड थार इन एशिया, कालाहारी एंड नामिबिया इन साउथ अफ्रीका. These are the different deserts that we see. एंड डेजर्ट ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया. ठीक है, ये था आपका, देखो आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे, दिस इज योर वेस्टर्न सहारा, ये आपका वेस्टर्न सहारा हो गया, ये आपका कालाहारी डेजर्ट हो गया, ग्रेट सैंडी सिम्पसन डेजर्ट भी कहते हैं. राइट, दीज आर द डिफरेंट डेजर्ट दैट वी सी. सो वी हैव एटाकामा इन साउथ अफ्रीका, वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आपको मैंने दिखाया. So now location. The tropical desert, they are located 50-30 degree north and south latitude on the western side of country. Saudi Arabia ये आपका मिडल ईस्ट में लाई करता है. It is located in the Arabian desert. ये ऑक्यूपाई करता है आपका 4/5 of Arabian Peninsula. Right? So most part जो है वो rocky plateau है. Sandy areas are broken by rocky hills. There are narrow coastal plains along the western and the eastern coast. If we talk about climate and vegetation, अगर हम climate और vegetation की बात करें, so Saudi Arabia experiences very critical climatic condition. So during the summer, temperature may reduce up to 50 degree or even more. And these days are very hot. In winter, अगर हम बात करें, days बहुत ज़्यादा hot होते हैं, night बहुत ज़्यादा cold होती है, right? And there is very little rainfall. जो बारिश होती है वो हमें बहुत कम दिखाई देती है. ठीक है. And if we talk about trees हमें कौन से देखने को मिलते हैं? जैसे आपके कैक्टी हो गया. So you can see that strong dusty winds blow here, and sometimes at very great speed जो wind है, what it causes? Dust storm. और जो dust storm होती है, आप देखेंगे कि जो wind है, they do not blow from the sea, and they come from interior of the continent, and the dry winds are called. And what we call these dry winds? These dry winds are called trade winds. So due to the shortage of water, there is less vegetation found in Saudi Arabia. Rain scarcely for month throughout the year. बहुत कम होती है बारिश, एक मंथ में एक बार हो जाए. And but mostly you will find shrubs and cactus in this region because they need very little water to grow, and the watery spots are found there. So lifestyle of the people, जो life होती है desert की, वो बहुत ज़्यादा difficult होती है. They have to face many difficulties, mostly for water, food and pasture. The people who live in desert area, इनको हम Bedouins कहते हैं. What they lead? They lead nomadic life, and they domesticate goat, sheep, camel, and they wander from place to place in search of food and water. Right? So both men and women, they cover their heads with the white clothes, and the women wear colorful clothes, and they are fond of wearing heavy ornaments. If we talk about political right, Riyadh इसकी capital है आपकी, and Mecca and Medina are the greatest center, great center है. The follower of Islam come to these places every year. Wide metal roads are found here. Multi-storied air conditioner, modern buildings, schools, big hospitals, college and universities are found here. Occupation की बात करें, petrochemicals, chemical fertilizer, plastic, textile shop, leather, cement. So Daman and Yanbu are the main business center of Saudi Arabia. A lot of mineral is taken out and refined into petroleum and other products. After these products are sent to ports. जब वो huge pipelines के through ports में भेजे जाते हैं, from sea ports these products होते हैं, where they are exported to other countries of the world. जो अलग countries हैं, other countries हैं, वहाँ पे उनको भेजा जाता है. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.